Fully furnished 2-bed 2-bath lakefront vacation condo rental at Majestic at Table Rock Lake. The condo has many beautiful upgrades that include granite countertops and cherry cabinets. Also featured in this condo is an amazing open floor plan that walks out onto a private covered patio. Enjoy many newly installed appliances including dishwasher, 2021, garbage disposal, 2017, water heater, 2016, jetted tub pump motor, 2016, and fire suppression sprinkler system. The Majestic COA offers a gated in-ground swimming pool with shower house, built-in gas or charcoal grills, trash, lawn, private dock with swim platform, for only $163 per month. You are in the heart of the Ozarks with a short drive to State Park Marina, Moonshine Beach, Branson Food and Entertainment, world-renowned Silver Dollar City, Bass Pro Shooting Academy, newly announced PBR Thunder Ridge Arena, Big Cedar Lodge, Top of the Rock Ozark Heritage Preserve and Golf Course designed by Jack Nicklaus, Buffalo Ridge Springs Golf Course designed by Tom Fazio, Payne's Valley Golf Course TM designed by Tiger Woods, Ozarks National Golf Course designed by Bill Coore and Ben Crenshaw, and Mountain Top Golf Course designed by Gary Player.